what separates successful people from the crowd, or what is it that the successful people do that others don't do? What is the recipe to success?
One of the most important thing is when I was new to law of attraction, I was on a quest of understanding why some people are successful, why how our mind works. And coming from a lower middle class family from a small town, facing a lot of challenges, a lot of things, I was always having this big dream of creating a life, helping other people. And but we have been told, like, you work hard, study well, life fixes.
The formula.
Formula. First job was not really that good. I did engineering from one of the best engineering college, but I got placed into a very low paying, bad environment kind of job, and I was not at all happy. I thought this job is neither giving me any growth, not any satisfaction, and especially not solving my financial situation. So I had this thought, and I was working in that job really, really hard. I was getting a lot of recognition, but money was not there, satisfaction was not there, growth was not there. So I started asking myself, there is something wrong with what I have been taught. And then I deep dive into all the biographies of very successful people, business, like billionaires, uh, all these kind of founders, then athletes, and all kind of successful people. And I try to understand why they are successful and why not we. And we means I have seen me, my parents, many people around me. They are very, very hardworking, spiritual, believe in God, always being honest, doing the right thing, but not making enough money, not having a good life, not fulfilling our desires. So why so many people are struggling? That's where the most important thing I found is it's the mindset. Like, the first word that I clicked upon is the mindset. It's the mindset which is like really, really the biggest difference. Of course, they are also working hard. For example, like a rickshaw puller, or a grocery shop owner, or a cook in a local restaurant is working equally hard as a CEO in a company, or a billionaire, or a multimillionaire, or a startup owner, or an for that matter for an actor or even an athlete. So it's not like those people are not making enough to live a good life. It doesn't mean they are not working hard. And coming from that background where my I have always seen my father working really, really hard, so I always wonder, like, if hard work is the key to success, then why so many people are not successful? And that's when dive into all these successful people's journey, I realize I found out it's the mindset which makes all the difference, because that's when you tend to channelize your hard work in the right direction, and you have a belief system, the right belief system towards money, towards relationship, towards other areas of life, so that you start unfolding the right thing where your hard work started paying you a bigger return. So what is this mindset? That's when I dive deep into understanding the mindset, and I read a lot of scriptures and many spiritual books as well. And that's where I stumble upon the law of attraction, which gave me like the kind of giving me the key to that success is like what is going inside your head, the belief, the thought process. Those are which are the main magnetic power which you have,
Yeah,
and that is attracting everything into your life.
the way we have talked about different areas of our life, we've talked about relationships, financial goals, career, family, partner, multiple things we have talked about. Now, when you're living in this life, which is so dynamic in a lot of sense, and so many things are happening in parallel, certain areas are going up, certain are going down, and you're finding your happiness amidst all of that. What would be your definition of success?
My definition of success is when you truly become aware about who you are, and you intentionally set your goals and vision for your journey of life, and you consistently take action towards that, and turning those dreams, those goals, those vision into reality, and living a truly purposeful life. Because I truly believe that the life of a human is all about growth, progress, and creating a life of purpose, satisfaction, and progress. So going forward and achieving your dreams, That's the best thing. That's the definition of success. That's what, because there are many people who set a lot of dreams but they don't achieve it. There are people who are not setting dreams, they are being part of other people's dreams. But people who are setting their dreams, setting their goals, and making them true, there is no greater joy than that. That's success.
Wow, that's a powerful, powerful definition. And it just mesmerizes me that how different people, different accomplished people look at success. There are so many ways that one can look at success and feel already grateful about the life that they have currently. And if they're not able to feel like that for some reason, they're feeling a lack in their life. I really hope that these conversations encourage them to start from the feeling of gratitude, the feeling of feeling already fulfilled, and that building on that feeling and the life of their dreams. Thank you so much, Ajay.